Oh yeah, Buick 2009. And today we're gonna be putting parking sensors. This one right here, parking sensors. Since this car did not come with the parking sensors, so now we're gonna be putting the parking sensors here and back. Hi. I know I got to the door because the bottom. So we already installed the backup camera. It's ready. So let me show you. Now we're gonna be installing backup sensor. This is the monitor for the backup camera. And then you put reverse. You can see it real clear. I don't know, but hey, you get the idea. That's how it looks. So now we're gonna be installing backup parking sensors. All right. Until now then, we got the measurement. This is where they're gonna be. But before you start anything, you have to make sure underneath the bumper, behind the bumper, there is a space. So when you put the sensor, it can fit perfect. So that is one thing you need to consider too, to make sure if you're doing by yourself. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so now we're gonna have the first hole right here. Woo, that was a success. Let me take it out this one. You know, sometimes, oops, check stop. All right, we continue to the next hole. All right. All right, hole number 3 now. This is the last hole. Alrighty. Alright, now we're gonna put the sensor itself, because every sensor has a number. 1, 2, 3. So this is number 1. You start on the left. Alright. Start on the left and see the wire. Alright, you get your wire. Make sure. Alright. And it has a sign that says up, so it needs to face up. And you put good to go. See, that's how you do it. Now we go with number 2. This is 3. This is number 2. So let's do it number 2. All they go the same procedures. Okay. What you have is not a big deal. Now you have to make sure the wires comes on the other side. You have all your wires. See, wire comes on the other side. All right. Up. This is number 2. locks into the place. Good. And we'll continue our video when we are setting up everything together. Then we'll. All right. Right now, I already finished everything. Tried, and as you can see, the sensors are ready. So we're gonna put it to the test. And this sensor has a voice alert, and it will alert you when you get close to it. There, and this is, you know, the screen. So let me show you. Put the reverse. It comes on.
Behind 1.1 meters. Behind 1 meter.
I didn't set it up yet, right? And then you can see this is how close it shows you. You see?
Behind 0.9 meters. Behind 0.8 meters. Behind 0.6 meters. Stop. Stop.
And you will say
Stop.
stop, stop. When you get close to, it will say that stop.
Stop. Stop.
It means you're close to the car.
Stop. Stop.
So let's see how close is that. See? That's how close it is. Means don't go that far. So folks, you see, now we have finished the sensor, we've finished the backup, and the Buick is ready to roll out. See, we built it, but yeah, so everything is cool. All right, till next time we make another video. That's it for me.